It's me again, Lorena. Let's review the Texas Life Insurance regulations. We're still in the learning mode. Let's go take that. So, here's number 1. This is 15 question. Number 1. In the replacement of existing life insurance policies, regulations mandate disclose of relevant information to all of the following except A. The replacing insurer, B. The applicant, C. The existing insurer, D. The beneficiaries of the existing policy. Okay. D. Beneficiaries of existing policy. Explanation. Replacement is not illegal, but certain regulations must be followed. However, the purpose of this regulation is to protect the policyholder, not the beneficiary. So the correct answer here is D, the beneficiaries of the existing policy. Next, number 2. Credit life insurance. A. All answers option are correct. B. Shall not exceed the total amount of the unpaid installment. C. Has maximum suicide clause of 6 months. D. Shall not exceed the total amount of the indebtedness. Okay. All answer option are correct. Explanation. All of these are true. Although credit life is a type of decreasing term insurance, it may not be written on loans in excess of 10 years. So the correct answer is A. All answers option are correct. Next, number 3. Twisting is common use term describing A. Giving a promising to give tangible or intangible items of value or service in order to induce a prospect to buy a policy of insurance. Unfair and avoidance of payment of policy benefits to which a claimant is entitled. C. The making of misleading representations as to the financial condition of any insurer. D. A misrepresentation made to a policyholder for the purpose of inducing the lapse or future surrender retentions or conversions of any policy of insurance. Twisting is common use term describing. Okay. It's D. Okay. So explanation. Twisting has to do with misrepresenting the facts regarding replacement of life insurance by making it appear that the client is better off purchasing when he might not be. So the correct answer is D. A misrepresentation made to policyholder for the purpose of inducing the lapse, forfeiture, surrender, retentions, or conversions of any policy of insurance. Next, number 4. Where there is no unconditional refund provision of at least 10 days, a buyer's guide in a policy summary must be delivered to the prospective life insurance purchaser. A. With a policy. B. Prior to accepting an initial premium. Prior to filling out an application for insurance upon issuance of the policy. Okay. Where there is no unconditional refund provision of at least 10 days, a buyer guide and policy summary must be delivered to the prospective life insurance purchaser. Okay, prior filing out the application for insurance. Let's try this. Oops. That's what I'm talking about. Upon issuance of the policy, prior to accepting an initial premium. Okay, there you go. So prior to accepting an initial premium, explanation. Life insurance policies usually contain a 10-day free look. If they do, the policy summary and buyer's guide may be delivered with the policy. If they don't, they have to be delivered prior to accepting the initial premium. So the correct answer is sorry guys. The correct answer is B, prior to accepting an initial premium. Next, number 5. Under what circumstances may a partially or totally blind person to be offered life insurance at rates different from those applying to persons with an unimpaired sight? A, when such handicap is relevant to the rest of laws. B, when the rest is placed under the guarantee association. C, upon application by the insurer to the commissioner. D, no such discrimination is permitted. Okay. A, says handicap relevant to the rest of the laws. Explanation. Blind or physically handicapped persons may not be turned down or affreeted for life insurance unless their handicap can be proven to increase the rest of loss. Okay, the answer here is A, which such handicap is relevant to the rest of loss. Next question. Number 6. Which of the following is not true regarding the replacement of life insurance? A, both the agent and the customer must sign the notice regarding replacement. B, it may lead to liability for errors and omission. It is unlawful. It may be detrimental. Okay, it is unlawful. Explanation. Replacement is not unlawful if the rules are followed. Agents who make misleading presentation or facts to customers in order to induce replacement may be guilty of twisting, which is form of misrepresentation. So the correct answer here is it is unlawful. All of the following are true about group life insurance except there must be a minimum of 10 employees. It is usually written as annual renewable term insurance. The employer is the beneficiary. The employee is the insured. The employer is the beneficiary. Explanation. The employee, as the insured, may designate any beneficiary they so desire, which will usually be either their spouse or children. Okay, the correct answer here is employer is the beneficiary. So, next question. Which of the following is true about the Texas Life Health and Hospital Service Insurance Guarantee Association? A, all insurers must participate. B, coverage is unlimited. C, agents may use it present as an inducement to the sale. What happened, lady girl? Okay. You need help? Yes, ma'am. Give it to me, please. No, you don't put that on the ground, sweetheart. Give it to mommy. I wanna give this to you. Okay, fine. You're silly. Okay, let's go switch. There you go. Give it up, mommy, please. Thank you. Okay, I have silly baby here. Alright, number 8. Which of the following is true about the Texas Life Accident, Health, and Hospital Service Insurance Guarantee Association? A, all insurers must participate. B, coverage is unlimited. C, agents may use it presents as an inducement to the sale. This protects the customer of insolvent insurance companies. Let's go this one. Okay. D, explanation. The L&H Guarantee Association protects the customer of insolvent or bankrupt insurers up to certain specified limits. Only authorized insurers, those who have certificates of authority, are required to participate. Okay, the correct answer here is it protects the customer of insolvent insurance companies. Next. 9. All are true about variable products sold in this state except A. Rates of return are not guaranteed. B. Agent must have state life insurance license and a federal securities license. C. Customer must bear the investment risk. The insurers invest the customer premium in their general account. Okay, all true about variable products sold in this state. All are true about variable products sold in the state except. Okay. I'm trying to have the state license, federal securities license. No, I'm sure on this customer premium. Okay. Alright. So, the insurer invests customer premium in their general account. Explanation. Insurers selling variable product invest their customers' monies in a separate account, which is very similar to a mutual fund. And since there is no guaranteed rate of return, customer must bear the investment risk. Variable products are not covered by the L&H Guarantee Association. Okay. So the correct answer here is D. Insurer invests the customer premiums in their general account. Next. Number 10. Conversions of a group life insurance policy may not be made to A. Life fit up to age 65. B. 23 life. C. Whole life. D. 15 years level term. Okay. 15 years level term. Explanation. Individuals and dependents insured on a group life policy may convert to an individual policy issued by the same insurer without physical exam for up to 31 days. After termination of employment, they can convert to any individual policy sold by the insurer exit term. Okay, so that's the correct answer is D. 15 years level term. Next. 11. The life insurance replacement rule does not apply to which of the following? Endowment, 10 years convertible renewable legal term, credit life, whole life insurance. Life insurance, okay. Which of the following? Life insurance? Okay, endowment. No. Credit life. Okay. So, correct answer is credit life. Explanation. You do not have to follow the rules on replacement when replacing credit life. However, you do have to follow the rules when replacing term insurance. Unless the term policy you are replacing is non-convertible term which will expire in 5 years or less and cannot be renewed. So the correct answer here, credit life. Next, number 12. All of the following are true about credit life insurance except it may not be written for more than amount of the loan. It is usually decreasing term insurance. It may not be written in connection with loans for more than 10 years. It must be written as a group insurance. Credit life insurance, okay. D, it must be written group insurance. Explanation. Although most credit life is written on a group basis, individual credit life insurance may also be purchased. Okay, the correct answer here is it must be written as a group insurance. Number 13. Conversions to an individual whole life insurance policy written by the same company is permitted without a physical exam for blank. This after termination of your employment. A group life is not convertible. D31, C28, D30. Let's go 31. Okay. Explanation. Terminated employees and their dependents have the 31 days grace period to convert to an individual policy issued by the same insurer without a physical exam. The new policy can be any type of insurance except terms. The premium will be based on the current age of the insured, and you cannot convert to more coverage than you had on the group contract. So the correct answer is B31. False advertising include which of the following? Failing to include the premium and sales material you are disseminating. B. Stating the policy you are selling has limitation and reduction. C. Stating to a client that there is difference in benefits between whole life insurance and term life insurance. D. Implying that you are the insurer rather than the agent. Okay. D. Explanation. Premiums do not have to be included in all sales material you distribute. Since they vary depending on the client's age and health. Most policies do have limitation in reduction, and there is a big difference between whole life and term. However, you cannot hold yourself out to be the insurer when the fact you are simply an agent of the insurer, of course. Okay. The correct answer here is implying that you are the insurer rather than the agent. Next. Which of the following is an unfair or deceptive act in connection with the sale of a life insurance policy? A. Making a misleading statement concerning the financial condition of the insurer. B. Referring to the guarantees available in the event of insurer insolvency. C. All answer options are correct. Using name or title that misrepresent the true nature of the policy. Okay, all option is correct. Explanation. Referring to the abbreviation of life and health. Guarantee Association is not permitted making false statements concerning financial condition of an agent or insurer. Is defamation. So the correct answer here is all answer option are correct in this exam. Let's see. Okay, so I'm still pass. I pass. You scored 80. So guys, that is Texas Life Insurance Regulations 1 up to 15. So you can, like I said earlier, you can just replay the video over and over until you be confident to go to the exam. This I'm reviewing here too. So since like I passed, okay, I had 1, 2, 3 mistakes. So it doesn't matter. You can always go ahead review so many times as much you want, So you can just always review, come back and review. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But right now I'm kind of confident. I passed the exam 80 because they say there's only 70. But anyway, this is just only a part of it. So Texas Life Insurance Regulation 1 up to 15. I made a mistake, 3 mistakes. So what you're gonna do, guys, is just keep reviewing. Keep reviewing me. This is just like, I'm doing this because I want to help other to be educated. Even you don't want to be insurance agent, you is you know something about what is the regulation, and you can get some information about it. And the more you have, the more you knowledgeable, the more the least you get screwed up, get scammer. So education is the best for everyone. So yeah, I just want to educate other people too, just like me, because I have so much question about insurance before. Then when I reading this question and answer and studying this, so all those question I had before, so I got an answer. So I just want to help people to educate too, and also people want to be insurance agent, and save money, want to save money to buy reviewer. So there you go, guys, it's free. You can review anytime. You just play the video so many times as much you want. Okay, all right, bye. Thanks for watching, and thanks for learning with me, and sorry for my accent. I know, but bear with me.